Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Carlin Lazaro Aguyaoy, 36 years old, single mother, blessed with one daughter. My father is deceased already, and my mother is a cleaner in school. I have one sister, and I'm the eldest in our family. I am from Binyan, Laguna, Philippines. I'm a Christian. I'm a high school graduate, and I took also a vocational course in 3 months, which is computer hardware servicing. My hobbies are singing, cooking, and cleaning, and I work as a domestic helper in Jordan for 2 years and 2 months, and I have served four members of the family, two adults and two children, ages 3 years old and 6 years old. And I work also a domestic helper in Qatar for 1 year and 10 months, and I have served four members of the family, two adults and two children, ages 3 years old and 6 years old. Sir Madam, I decided to work in Hong Kong for my family needs and for the future of my daughter. The main duties of my previous employer was cleaning the house, marketing, ironing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, and taking care of children. If you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family, and I will treat your family as my own family too. I will follow the rules and regulations and responsibilities that you give to me. Thank you to all the employers in Hong Kong. God bless.